Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900. This is a remarkably well-preserved, two-owner truck that has traveled just 94,000 original miles. Powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs on gasoline and remains completely original and 100% rust-free. The exterior is finished in classic white, complemented by a clean blue interior. Originally owned by the head of an HVAC company in Florida, this truck served as his personal vehicle and was stored inside his shop for over 20 years, helping preserve its exceptional condition. It now features new tires and a freshly installed rubber floor liner, further enhancing its readiness for the road. This is a rare opportunity to own a highly original, rust-free example of a classic American pickup. Number 2. 1975 Ford F100, price $7,500. It has traveled 116,000 miles. Finished in a bold red exterior with a contrasting black interior, it runs on gasoline and is equipped with a 351M V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features power steering, front disc brakes, and rear drum brakes, offering reliable and confident stopping power. It comes fitted with an aftermarket radio, though it currently needs new speakers. The body is in excellent condition with minimal flaws, and the truck sits on sturdy copper tires. It also boasts a dual exhaust system with brand new tailpipes exiting just in front of the rear tires, adding both performance and a muscular sound. While the truck runs excellently and is mechanically solid, it could benefit from a fresh coat of paint to bring it to the next level. Number 3. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. Finished in a vibrant red exterior, it stands out on the road while retaining its timeless appeal. The interior is in good condition, showing that the truck has been well cared for over the years. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong and reliable 4.3L V6 engine, paired with an upgraded automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and enhances overall drivability. This is a 2WD model, ideal for daily use or weekend cruising. With 267,000 miles on the odometer, this Chevy has proven its durability and remains ready for more miles ahead. It runs on gasoline and has been thoughtfully maintained. The truck is also equipped with an upgraded sound system, making every drive more enjoyable. Number 4. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500, with approximately 304,000 miles on the chassis. It features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a durable gasoline-powered 5.3L LS engine, which was swapped in as an upgrade. While the exact mileage of the engine is unknown, it is confirmed to have less than 300,000 miles. The truck is finished in blue with a gray interior, offering a classic and clean look. Despite its age and mileage, the Sierra runs strong and reliably, making it a dependable option for someone looking for a capable work truck or daily driver with vintage character. The roof paint is starting to chip, showing typical cosmetic wear for a vehicle of its age, but the rest of the body paint is in good condition and still presents well. It may require a realignment, and the air conditioning system is currently not functional, which might need repair or replacement. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior. It maintains a cohesive and nostalgic look. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 small block Chevy engine paired with the desirable Granny 4-speed manual transmission, offering a solid and engaging driving experience. The truck has recently received several new upgrades, including a brand new camshaft and lifters, intake manifold, valve covers, all gaskets, a fuel pump, fuel tank, and alternator. Factory air conditioning and heat are both present and functional, although the AC will need to be recharged following the cam installation. The heater core began to leak slightly, so it has been temporarily bypassed. While it may need a few minor things, overall, this C10 is a reliable, great running truck that's ready to enjoy. Number 6. 1977 Chevrolet C10, price $9,850, with just 44,000 miles on the odometer, reflecting careful use over the years. It is powered by a reliable small block 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and dependable performance. Recently, the starter and engine valve seals have been replaced, which contributes to its strong running condition and improved engine reliability. The truck sports a brown exterior complemented by a black interior, creating a classic and rugged appearance. The air conditioning system is in place and functional but currently requires a recharge to blow cold air effectively. On the exterior, the clear coat on the hood shows signs of peeling, and there is a noticeable dent on the passenger door, both of which are typical wear for a vehicle of this age but do not affect its overall drivability. With a clean Texas title, the Chevrolet C10 is ready for either restoration enthusiasts looking for a solid project or anyone seeking a dependable vintage truck that still runs and drives well. Number 7. 1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This is a classic black truck with a well-preserved brown interior, showing approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this vehicle runs on gasoline and offers a reliable driving experience. While the truck is currently operational, it requires priming to start, which is likely due to the need for replacement of the rubber fuel hoses. Despite this minor issue, the interior remains in good condition, reflecting careful maintenance and care over the years. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 combines classic style with functional performance, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts or everyday use. Number 8. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. With 220,000 miles on the odometer, it is powered by a strong and dependable 5.0 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission that ensures smooth and consistent performance. The truck boasts a clean white exterior that contrasts nicely with its well-maintained blue interior, providing a classic yet fresh look inside and out. Equipped with air conditioning, this vehicle offers comfort in all seasons, while its overall condition reflects careful upkeep. It runs and drives smoothly, making it a practical choice for daily use or a solid foundation for further restoration and upgrades. The truck also comes with a clean blue title in hand, giving peace of mind to prospective buyers. Number 9. 1991 Ford F350, price $5,500. This is a robust and reliable 2WD truck that has covered 122,000 miles. It is powered by a strong 351 cubic inch engine paired with a smooth shifting C6 automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance both on and off the road. The truck features a clean, well-maintained tan interior that offers comfort during long drives, while its classic white exterior gives it a timeless and versatile look. Running on gasoline, this F350 is known for its durability and solid build quality. Overall, it combines power, comfort, and a great driving experience, making it a dependable choice for work or everyday use. Number 10. 1979 Ford F250, price $6,500. Powered by a robust 460 big block engine, it delivers impressive torque and power, ideal for heavy-duty tasks. This engine is paired with a reliable C6 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifting and ease of use. The truck features a 4x4 drivetrain that is fully operational. Its 4.10 gear ratio further enhances its towing and hauling performance, making it well-suited for work or recreational use. Visually, the truck stands out with its vibrant red exterior matched by a red interior, maintaining a cohesive and bold look. It runs on gasoline and includes factory-installed air conditioning, which still functions properly, adding comfort to the driving experience. Although the truck shows typical Wisconsin rust, which is common for vehicles from the region,